back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a protective hairstyle with flexi rods and clip-ins. So I'm on this natural hair journey to grow out my hair and learn new protective styles that will help my hair grow a little bit faster. So as you can see, I'm testing out these clip-ins for my new business. This is how you install them. You want to make sure that the clip is open before you install them into your hair or into your scalp. When you're installing them, you want to make sure you're being as gentle as possible and not putting too much tension on your hair. So ensuring that the clip is open and pressing lightly onto the clip will ensure that you're not putting too much tension onto your hair. I didn't show this process, but I did cornrow my hair down halfway in the back so that I can put the clip-ins on. I used only one bundle, but I used 5 wefts of the clip-ins in the back to ensure that I had volume and length in the back of my head. So I'm taking down my hair that I had fully washed and moisturized the night before so that I can give my hair some stretch so that it could match with the clip-ins a little better, since when my hair is wet it does tend to shrink up, and shrinkage is not fun when trying to achieve a long voluminous hairstyle. So I went ahead and just took down these braids, and I'm going to go ahead and in the next clip you'll see me trying to blend them in with the clip-ins. So right here I noticed that my braids were showing and that I could add one more weft of the clip-ins, which I went ahead and did. And then I'm going to section out a side part, but as you guys know, in the beginning I was wearing bangs, not braids, as my hairstyle, but you guys can choose whatever side you guys will like to part your hair. So right here I'm just pulling out some leave out to cover up that top weft from the clip-ins. Look at that, you guys, it blends so seamlessly. Like, obviously my hair color is a little bit lighter than the clip-ins, but that's okay. I will eventually dye the clip-ins to match my hair color, but look at the texture, it matches seamlessly. Like, I was having a hard time determining what was my real hair and where the clip-ins were. So right here I'm just clipping on the clip-ins, the rest of the clip-ins, to my hair. And yes, this is safe because, as I said in the beginning, you want to make sure you're just clipping them on lightly. And I continue to do this around the perimeter of all my leave out. These clip-ins are 4B, 4C clip-ins, and they do match the texture of my hair perfectly. They are just a little bit longer than my natural hair, which is okay because I am trying to grow them out as long as these clip-ins. But I really liked how easy these clip-ins were to clip on and how it just blended with the texture of my hair. Like, look at that, you guys. It looks like my real hair if I had darker hair. You know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all, now it's time to style. Right here, I am sectioning off my hair into 4 sections. I'm going to do 1 section in the front, and then on the right side, I'm just going to section off the whole right side into a ponytail. I don't know why I did this. I think I was just getting impatient and I just wanted to hurry up. But on the back left side, I went ahead and sectioned out a small piece of hair, and I used some Nairobi foam spray. It's the blue bottle. You can get it from I believe your local beauty supply store, and I think Sally's carries it. I'm not quite sure, but I just applied that from ends to the root of the clip-ins, and then I use a flexi rod and I just twist the flexi rod around the hair. I'm not sure what size flexi rods I used, but I did use the gray ones, the blue ones, and the orange ones for reference. The gray ones are bigger than the blue and the orange ones are the littlest. So that means that the blue ones are going to be like in the middle. Right here, I saw that I had put it on wrong, so I retried it, and I think I had got it. So I had saw this technique from a former YouTuber, I forgot her name, but she said to start twisting at the base of the root of the clip-ins, and then at the end add the flexi rod so that the base is flat. I'm not sure if this helped or anything, but in my experience with the trying the Flexi Rods, it did help keep the base flat. I don't know if this might help you guys whenever you try out this hairstyle, but if you do, let me know if it works out for you. Another thing that I suggest when trying out the Flexi Rods is to make sure you fully blow dry out the clip-ins and your natural hair. At the end, you'll see that my Flexi Rod set came out a little frizzy because my hair was only stretched and I barely blow dried out the clip-ins because I didn't want to damage them or elongate the curls. So that's why I didn't blow dry them out all the way, but I do highly suggest you blow drying them all the way so that you can get more of a sleek Flexi Rod set. So this is how the back section came out. I think it came out pretty good. When I got to the front, I took pieces of my hair and took pieces from the clip-ins and mixed them together into one Flexi Rod so that when I unraveled it, it would be more seamless and I wouldn't have to try to blend my hair and the clip-ins as much when I took apart the curls. Here's the finished result. I'm going to wait overnight and let these sit for one day to completely dry. Now that it's the next day, I'm going to take apart these curls and we're going to see how this came out. Well, we kind of already know how they came out, kind of rough and looking very frizzy. But I didn't use anything like oil just because I don't do butters or oils on my hair. I like to just hydrate with water. But I think that this came out pretty good for me not blow drying it all the way or using any oils and creams. Like, look how bouncy those curls are. Again, all I used was water and... No, I didn't even use water. I used the Nairobi foam wrap. And that was it, y'all. So this, I believe, came out pretty good for minimum products that I used. If you're gonna give anyone you need, don't waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, if you got time to. So once all the Flexi Rods are taken out, you want to start at the base of the hair or the ends of the hair and slowly pull apart the curl in the way that the curl wants to fall. Don't try to over manipulate it because this will make your curls drop a lot faster. And I was touching my hair a lot the next day, so that's probably why my curls didn't last that long. But the less that you manipulate the hair, the less it's going to drop or the longer your curls will last. So just keep that in mind. Another tip I would recommend is pulling apart the curls and then like retwisting them with your fingers. I noticed that this helped a lot with recurling them and keeping the curls to look bouncy and flowy and to separate them a little bit more so that I could get a bigger afro. All you want is the same thing. If you're gonna waste your time, don't waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need. Once I'm done separating the curls, I went in with 3 bobby pins and bobby pinned the bangs so that they could sit a little better and that the roots wouldn't be too puffy and I could have the hair fall better in my face. Thank you guys guys so much for watching this video. You guys, this was my first attempt trying flexi rods. I usually do perm rods, which I'm better at. I know that like my hair looks a little frizzy at the top, but that's okay. I kind of like the look, frizzy look. I don't know, it looks more natural to me, I think, but I think it came out super cute. It looks so natural, it looks so good. What do you guys think? Would you guys try a hairstyle like this? Let me know in the comments down below. Next time that I try this, I am gonna definitely try to blow dry the clip-ins a little bit better and blow dry my hair out more. In the beginning, as you guys saw, I didn't blow dry my hair. I just stretched it out before. I don't know if that had anything to do with the frizziness, but I like it. I would honestly wear this out. It does look a little frizzy. I'm not sure how long this will like stand. See how like this one hair didn't really curl that well, but I don't know how long this hairstyle will stay, but I actually like it very, very much. It is super cute and it's super fun. I don't know, giving me curly Sue. I don't know, it's really cute, and I've never tried the whole bang look, so I'm glad that like it falls great in my face. Like, it is so cute. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like the hairstyle. Let me know some tips that maybe I can try next time if I do attempt to do this. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Leave me a like and make sure that you are subscribed so that I can grow, you guys, and that we can grow together. But thank you guys so much again for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.